In this question, you have to identify the element that is responsible for maintaining target pressure in cells. Option A, magnesium. It is incorrect because magnesium is mainly involved in chlorophyll synthesis and enzyme activation, but not in maintaining target. Option B, sodium. Now it is also incorrect because sodium is not the primary regulator of target in most plants, though it can play a minor role in salt tolerant plants. Option C, calcium. Now it is also incorrect because it is important for cell wall stability and signaling, but it does not directly regulate target pressure. Option D, potassium. Now, potassium ions help to regulate the movement of water into and out of the cells by influencing the osmotic balance. It helps control the water potential of the cell, which is very important for the uptake of water from the soil. And potassium also contributes to the cell's ability to retain water in the vacuoles, which helps to maintain the pressure against the cell wall, and this is known as target pressure. And this pressure keeps cells rigid and supports the plant structure. Hence, this is the correct option.